And I'm looking over here and my dog is peeing right now. He's peeing again. And I think he's doing potty. Hello there, what's up people? It's me Jaya. You're watching me on the Expound. So guys, I don't think this is a vlog, but if it is, then yeah, it might be a vlog. I don't know what I'm saying right now. But if the experience is poor, please do forget me because I'm not a vlogger. I think I'm vlogging for the first time. So I'm going to show you places which are so green, and then I come here most of the time whenever I feel sad, whenever I feel low, or whenever I'm not so well, I come here and then I sit because this place is so green and I cannot wait to show you all of this green places because I'm shooting this video because I don't have any other video to shoot, and also I had a lot of thing in my mind that I have to go to a place which is so green, like Ooty or Kodaikanal or whatever it is. I badly wanted to go, but then I don't have an option for that. I cannot go there. I thought I found this place, so I'll just make a video of this and then also put it. So I don't come here alone, so I have my dog with me right now for a support. So before like 2-3 months, this place was like a desert, it was totally like a desert, but now it is so green. And also it rained yesterday, and mostly people do agriculture over here, like they grow nuts and vegetables and rice, so they all grow, it all grows over here. So I just come and then every evening I sit in this place because it's so calm and it is so beautiful. Something green or whenever I see a sunlight, I just start taking pictures and I start recording those things, and I call myself a photographer, and I always come here and take selfie. It's so good, right? And also the background is so green and it looks so good. How is it? It's so great, right? I feel like I'm actually lying on a green color plant bed. And guys, tell me whether you have visited this place or something, or whether you have some place like this near your house, because if you walk like 50 to 20 minutes, I'll reach my house, and from my house this place has a very beautiful view, and I always sit in the balcony and then I take pictures of it every 6 o'clock because I love taking pictures even though I'm not so good at it. Everywhere it's so green and I'm just loving this place. And with this outfit, why do I look like I'm a piggy fucking? And it's so good, like coming for a walk at like in evening or something. And there are a lot of monkeys over here, so they actually purposely have a dog. Every house they have a dog so that they can actually come and drop that dog over here so that it can chase the monkey. I don't know. I'll just roam here all the time I come. I'll just walk here, and it is so cool to walk. I actually don't know what crop it is, and all I see is leaves, but they say that they are growing something over here, but I can't actually find anything. Wow, this looks cool. Yeah. So guys, this is the place, and I think this is all I want to show you here. Want a picture over here, like this place looks quite creepy and scary, but anyway we'll see. Such a greeny place nearby your house, then if you have that, then you're lucky. I don't think you need to go to any Kodaikanal or any other Ooty place to experience this. I want to actually go to that mountain over there. I really want to go there, but then I cannot go there alone. My parents will scold me, so I want to go that mountain also, and then I want to go to this mountain also. See, I have went there with my family once, and the view from up, oh my god. We have a temple also there. See? And I'm hearing some voice from there. And this is another side of that same well. I'm hearing an echo. Hello? Woo! Let's end this well tour now. Oh, there is another dog. can just look at the road. It just looks like a highway road. This is so cool, you know. This is the best road ever. And it is just morning. It is just around 6:30 p.m. And I'm just moving to some place, and this looks so good. So I'm just recording it, and yeah, let's go and see what's more there with this place. And look at this. Yeah, this is the rice, I think. And this is where you. Oh my god! Wow! Hey, and I don't think this is a rice plant. I think it is corn. Yes, it is corn. No. It's. I think it is dal. I don't know. I can't find it actually. What exactly this is? I think it is rice only. Yeah, it's rice. It looks like corn. But this is where you actually produce rice. What is this? I think this is a burned tree. Yeah. OMG! What the hell is this? Ugh. Yuck! Is this blood? No. I think it's glue. This tree looks so creepy. Look at this, man. What is this? It looks like jam. And there is nothing over here. And how is it? This tree is so creepy. And over here you can see people are just going to, they are going to do something over here. They are going to start it. Over there which I showed you, people have started it. Now they are going to plant something else. So let's just have a look at this place also. I think it is... It is a well. OMG. So this is the place where they will take a water and then they will actually use it for this stuff, some rice or whatever you're planting here. They'll use water from this well. Hello? I can hear echo. I don't want to be here. I think it will just come back. So can you see the peacock over there? It's so beautiful. Let me just go nearby that. So guys, I just can't, get closer because if I get closer, and I don't think I'll be able to shoot it because they'll run. So if you look at this place, everywhere it is so green. There is no house, nothing. People use it only for agriculture purpose over here. They'll plant some trees and then they will work and then they will leave. But this place is so beautiful. And it rained over here. So I'm going to show you one of the huge trees. Like one of the huge trees which I have seen. And this is a tree. You can just look at how big this tree is and how huge this tree is. And we have a temple, mini temple also over here. And after this, I think this tree must have been 20 or 30 years old. But look at this, it's so huge. When you come here like evening or something, when you sit here nearby, it is heaven. It is a total heaven over here. It will be so cool to sit here and then chill. So guys, this is all I want to tell you in this video. I've just shown some of the things which is, people are planting something and then they are doing agriculture. So I just wanted to show you this field. So guys, tell me whether you have also been to place like this, whether you have also seen the agriculture and all these stuff. I thought I will do with people like when they are doing it, but then I couldn't because morning 6 o'clock, 8 o'clock, I think it'll look more greener. Like when you come at 12 o'clock or something, I don't think it will be this beautiful. So thank you so much for watching. Share this video if you can, and then tell me what you felt about this video in the comment, and give it a like if you can, and then subscribe my channel if you can. Until the next video, look here. Look here.